Hey, Brew and Feed here. I am here at the Cleveland Brew Shop in the Ohio City neighborhood of Cleveland, Ohio for their annual Homebrew Oktoberfest and Homebrew competition. So let's go check them out, see if they know how to brew strong.
Yeah, so I'm Darren. I own the Cleveland Brew Shop. For those of you that don't know, we're a home brewing supply store. So we sell ingredients and equipment for doing fermentation at home, beer, wine, cider, kombucha, etc. Obviously, the point of tonight was around beer making. So this is the third year we've done this competition. We did it in 2022 as our 10th anniversary of being in business. But people really liked it, and so we decided to make it an annual thing. So the parameters of the competition are very simple. It's a beer brewing competition, but it focuses on European styles. And those of you that are unaware, there is an exhaustive list of beer parameters for every single style of beer you drink. It's a beer competition. The beers have already been judged by certified judges. And then this event is simply an Oktoberfest party plus the award ceremony for the people that entered the competition. So, the 7 beers that won those categories, the judges then took those 7 beers, tasted them all next to each other, and we're like, one of these beers has got to be the best beer of those 7 beers. The judges decided, and the winner of the tickets to the Great American Beer Festival this year is Because of the Night by Tom Beach, the Schwarz beer.
I just left the Cleveland Beer Shop. I always forget their name. The Cleveland Brew Shop Oktoberfest. It was great. It was a great time. A lot of excellent German style beers, Hefeweizens, Marzens, Schwarz beers, all kinds of stuff. Really good, excellent beers. The Schwarz beer that won the top prize, the best of show, was my favorite beer. So I got good taste in beer. So that's it. 2024 Cleveland Brew Shop Oktoberfest is a wrap. Brew strong and feed well.